Assalamu alaikum and very good morning my dear students, and in this video we are going to discuss about grade 9 chapter statistics and how to represent the given data using histograms. And in the previous video we have seen how to do it using how to represent using histograms when we have grouped frequency distribution table where it is continuous, that means the classes are continuous, and the second one is if they are having uniform class size. Understood? But now we are going to see a different kind of data where, now let us check what kind of data it is. Okay, so yeah, the lower limit of the first class. So the lower limit of the first class is starting with 0. So that means it is not starting, it is starting with 1. So put a question mark because there is a change, you have to do it. Okay, and now after that, let us see whether it is continuous or not. See the lower limit 4, 4, yes, 6, 6, yes, 8, 8, yes, 12, 12. Yes, it is continuous, so I don't have any problem in this. And now whether class size is uniform or not. How to find out class size, my dear students? Upper limit minus lower limit. Let us check. 4 minus 1, 3, 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 6, 2, 12 minus 8, 4, and 30 minus 12. It is 18, right? So it is here the class size is different. So whenever you get class size different, you have to add one more column. So it is class width or size. Anything is okay, anything is fine. So here the class size is 3 and the class size is 2. Here it is 2, 12 minus 8, 4, and 30 minus 12, it is 18. So when you have different class widths, so then the length of the histogram, what we have done, the length of the rectangles should be proportion to the data. Understood or not? So the last column will be length of rectangular bar. Okay, now let us see. You have to draw extra 2 columns. Okay, please practice it. Until and unless you practice at least 2 or 3 times, you will not be able to understand. So, okay sir, how to proportionate, how to draw the graphs accordingly, proportionate. So, how to do, what to do? Here, take the minimum class size. What is the smallest class size here? 2. Understood or not? So, let us now make it proportion to the class size 2. Understood, my dear students? Yes, how to do this? So, how to do it? Okay. So, here the smaller class size is 2. So, we have to make the frequency proportion to this class size. Okay. Now, for example, what to do? For class size 3, the frequency is 6. For class size 3, the frequency is 6. For class size 2, how much it should be? Understood or not? So this is the unitary method which we used to do. So how to do unitary method? 2 divided by 3 into 6. Understood? 2 divided by 3 into 6. So here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 2 twos are 4. So therefore the length of the rectangle should be 4. Understood or not? When we make it proportion to the smaller class size. Do you understand? So if you do not understand, for class size 3, the frequency means this is the length of rectangle which we are going to take. So that means for class size 3, the length of the rectangle is 6. So for class size 2, how much it should be? Understood or not? So you can write it as 2 by 3 into 6. Or if you do not, if you don't understand this, so 6 divided by 3 into 2. Understood? So simply you can remember it as frequency divided by class size into smaller one. You can see 6 divided by 3 into 2, smaller one. Understood? So it will be 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. You can remember the concept is this actually. The concept is this. For class size 3 the frequency is 6. For class size 2 what will be the frequency or what will be the length of the rectangle? So this is what you have to, and if you don't remember 6 divided by 3 into 2. Okay, so now tell me 6 divided by 3 into 2. Now in the same way it will be 30 divided by 2 into what is this? What is the smaller one? 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled, it will be 30. And since it is the smaller smaller class size, it will be same 44. And here what will you do? 16 by 4 into the smaller class size is 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4, 2 8s are. So it will be 8. And 4 by 18. So you can take it as, are you able to see? Yeah. 4 by 18 into 2. Understood? Now 2 1s are 2, 2 9s. So that is equal to, it is 4 by 9. It is 4 by 9. Okay? Or you can understand the, I'll explain you with the concept. Okay? The last one. For class size 18, the length of the rectangle is 4. For class size 2, how much? Unitary method. So it is 2 divided by 18 into 4. Understood? 2 1s are 2, 2 9s 18. So that it is equal to 4 by 9. So 4 by 9 when you divide, how many times? 0.0, 9 4s are 36. 140, 9 4s are 36. So it goes on 0.44444. Since you can't do it decimals, you can take it nearer value to 0.45. Okay, otherwise you can take it as 0.5 or 0.4 when you round it off. Okay, understood my dear students? So whenever you have non-uniform class size, you have to take class size first, and you have to make sure and the length of the rectangle to be proportion to the class sizes. So then you will get a perfect histogram. So let me draw a histogram for this. Give me 1 minute, let me rub it and do. Yes, give me 1 minute, students. There is a small glitch here. So it is not 30, it is 20. So I was checking actually how it became 30, because generally in CBSE books you do not have these kind of values. Understood or not? CBSE want to check you but not make it difficult for you. Understood? So 4 by 9 it will not come. That is why I checked the textbook. So then I came to understand that it is not 30, it is 20. So that means the class size is 8. So then for class size 8 you are getting 4. For class size 8 it is 4. For 2 how much? So 2 by 8 into 4. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s, and 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So it will be 1. Understood? So there is a small correction in this values. So now let me erase and draw the graph for you, or let me check whether I have place here. Yeah, I think this place is enough to draw the graph. So let me draw the graph. You have to take the lower limits. 1, 4, 6, 8, 12. So it is a factor of, multiples of 2. So let me go with 2. Okay. Here I can go further. So, okay. Since it is histogram, I can start with 0. And you have multiples of 2 except 1. Okay. So take it to 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, and now let us see the frequency. The frequency is 3 to, sorry, where is the frequency? 60, 30, 44, 16, 4. So the lowest is 4 and the highest is 44. So let me take 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay, now let us draw the graph. Okay, the first class is 1 to 4. My dear students, do you have 1 here? So you don't have 1. So 1 is in between 0 and 2. So here, and 1 to 4, this will be the base of the rectangle. And 1 to 4, what is the length of the rectangle? 4. So if I take, this will be 5 and it will be little, the next point on the graph. Okay, you can take it as this. Okay, this is the rectangle. And now what is the next one? 4 to 6. It is 30. 4 to 6. And where is 30, my dear students? It is somewhere over here. Okay, now 6 to 8. What is length of rectangle? 44. 6 to 8. Where is 40? This is 40 and this is 45. Let us take the half point is 45 and this is 44. Somewhere over here. So this is 44. And 8 to 12. The length of the rectangle should be 8. Understood? So 8 to 12. 8 to 12. The length of the rectangle should be 8. So let us see 8. 8 means it is just less than 10. So let me take this. And the next one, 12 to 20 here, I forgot. After 12 you get 14, 16, 18 and 20. So for that, the graph will be like this. Okay. So instead of 2, I would have taken 10. Okay. No, not 10. I would have taken 4 or 5. Understood? It will be easier. For 5 also it will be easier. So this is the histogram for this problem. Understood? The main important thing is this. When you have non-uniform class size, what you are supposed to do, you have to take 2 columns, which is class size, and after that the length of the rectangle should be adjusted according to the smaller class size. Understood? So it is how to do. For class size 3 it is 6. For class size 2 how much it is? Okay, or it is 6 divided by 3 into smaller class, 4 divided by 8 into smaller class, 16 divided by 4 into smaller class. Got it, my dear students? Any doubts? If you have any doubt, please let me know and send me a message. I'll explain you. Take care. Bye.